What's going on, you guys? Thank you so much for joining me back on my YouTube channel. I really do appreciate it. Right now, as you saw from the title, we're actually headed over to the car wash. We're gonna deep clean the engine bay of the Nissan 350z because I've owned this car for about a year and a half now and I've not cleaned the engine bay yet. So I got all my stuff. I got 10 brand new awesome microfiber rags. So let me grab this stuff. I put all my cleaning stuff in this birthday bag just because it works, it works. Better than carrying everything, So look at this, we got tire shine here. We got some wheel and tire cleaner. Then right here, this is my soapy water. I stole that from Chris. He has soapy water, that's what he calls it. It's basically just water and soap, I got some wipes to wipe stuff down with just for extra, cleaning. And we're missing actually one thing. I need to run to Walmart and pick it up. I know exactly where it's at, but it's pretty much impossible to do this without it. It's basically like a toothbrush, but it's got like wire teeth instead of like, regular toothbrush teeth. It's good for scraping on like the really hard to get grime off the engine bay that's like, here, let me jump out before I start the car. All right, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like right now. It's not too bad though. Okay. So, I mean, just a little dusty, it's really not terrible though. It's just mostly dusty. But we're gonna come through here with a toothbrush and we're gonna get all of this. We're gonna make all this like hopefully shiny red. That's the plan, that's the goal. Self-shutting door. It's amazing. All right, you guys, so we just got to the car wash. I'm gonna jump out right now and wash this thing. Oh, there's like nobody here. See, look at this, look at this. We can just pick one, which is kind of nice. The only thing that kind of stinks is the sun is pretty direct right now. Like it's in the bay, so we're gonna have to kind of be quick, but probably pull it around over to the other side where we normally go. Quick wash, and then we're gonna clean the engine bay. She does clean up good. Guys, I could just be biased, but the front of this car looks so mean. Like it just looks so mean. I don't know if it's compared to everything else that I see. I just love the way the front of this car looks. I'm thinking I'm doing side skirts next, little winglets on the end right here, and then I need a diffuser on the back, like absolutely. All right, time to begin. I never went to Walmart. I got all the way here and we didn't go get the brush, you guys, the toothbrush. Didn't even think about it. I wonder if can I improvise? If we get the toothbrush, we for sure will be able to do this. I don't have a tool like that right now, so. All right, you guys, I'll be back. Jeez. Green light. Last one. It's over there. All right, so we're headed back over to the car wash right now. We got the brush, check it out. This is like the toothbrush you never want to use. Like this toothbrush sends you to the dentist. So we got that, which is pretty awesome. We're headed to the car wash. Let's get it. Okay, no lie. It's kind of becoming like a race against the sun, and I wasn't expecting that. This is the not so popular car wash, but it's my favorite because nobody ever comes over here. There's actually more people over here than there normally is though, and that's actually pretty cool. There she is. Not too bad, to be honest. It's a little dusty. It's pretty hot. While we're letting the manifold cool down, I'm actually gonna start cleaning this over here. Oh yeah, look at that, barely works. Oh, it'll probably help if I open it. Oh my God, oh God, okay. I'm just gonna spray the entire thing down. This is literally soap and water, you guys, like that is it. Soap and water. A little scrub down. And then I like to just take one of these cleaning wipes and just wipe all the dust because it pulls off a lot of dirt, you know what I mean? And I don't have like a bucket of water because I'm not like bucket washing. I'm just gonna wipe this. Comes out pretty good actually. I kind of went through here and I just basically got the dust off. I just want to spray this down. The manifold is still really hot, so I'm just gonna wipe this. hard to get all the lines, but you want to get all the coolant lines and stuff. They just gather so much dust, but as soon as you can clean them, they look so good. Next time I do this, I'm gonna have to take this off so I can get all the way under there. But I mean, just for like 2 seconds of scrubbing with some soap and water, I mean, it cleaned up pretty good. I don't know what this is. Alright guys, so we're pretty much, I mean, we're not done, like, obviously. There's quite a bit more to do, but while the sun's going down basically while we're out here, I thought I would stop right here and come back later. What we didn't get done, or to the extent of what I would like, I'm gonna probably get a Q-tip someday, come out here and clean every single one of these little circles, just because, I mean, the dust inside those is impossible to get out without a Q-tip basically, and kind of annoying, you know, like, everything else is so clean, but like, this just, it just, God, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know, it's a pet peeve of mine, you know? But, I mean, just for seriously 20 minutes of work, I mean, look at this. I mean, that came out amazing. This came out super clean. I mean, the sides cleaned up super nice. Like, I'm telling you guys, if you're gonna sell your car, do this. Like, take 30 minutes out of your day, get some soapy water and a toothbrush, and come out here and just clean your engine bay. Because when the person that's gonna try and buy your car looks at this and sees that it's well maintained and clean and there's no dust, I mean, they're probably gonna pay what you want them to pay, and they're not gonna try and lowball you. That's just, you know, my opinion. It came out pretty good. Put this back on the tripod. I cleaned as much as I could. The sun is basically gone. I'm gonna wrap it up for the day. If you wanna see like an even deeper clean of this engine bay, because I'm not quite done. It was like a race against the sun. So if you guys want to see more of the deep cleaning, I have to do an interior deep cleaning where I take the seats out, stuff like that. So if that interests you, go ahead and drop a subscribe so you don't miss my future videos, and go ahead and drop a comment if you want to see anything else from me. So all right, anyways, I'm gonna clean everything up here. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Real quick before I go, if you guys are from TikTok, you probably have seen I'm giving away a Nissan GTR front bumper. So go ahead and drop a comment down below saying that you're from TikTok so I know that you're in the raffle for sure. And look out for my next video on there because I'll be updating with all the rules and details and stuff like that. So anyways, thank you guys again. Peace out.